All right. Now, if you're back to the lesson, that means you're done with your homework. You had two homeworks to do. The first one was to present yourself according to this model that we have here on your screen. You present yourself just like it is here. Tell us who you are, where you come from, where you studied, and things like that. Okay. Now we're gonna correct together the homework, the second part of the homework you had, which was to sort out the articles and the personal pronouns. So we're gonna read the text together. When we get to one article or personal pronoun, we will stop so we can note it. All right. Now let's start. Mwen rele Joseph. Mwen rele Joseph. Do we have an article here or a personal pronoun? Yes, we do. What do we have? We have a personal pronoun. Which one is it? It's mwen. 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 First person. Mwen. Okay, let's continue. Mwen gen 20 ans. Mwen gen 20 ans. Is there an article there? No article. Next. Mwen fèt 20 janvier 2000 nan Okay. Mwen fèt 20 janvier 2000 nan Okay. Zone Sud, pays Haïti. Zone Sud, pays Haïti. No article. No article. All right. Next. Mwen entre Port-au-Prince le mwen te gen 13 ans. Mwen entre Port-au-Prince le mwen te gen 13 ans. Article? No. Now, there is something. There is something we need to know. It says, mwen entre Port-au-Prince le mwen te gen 13 ans. Now, you remember, was an article, right? We saw that as an article. But in this context, it is not. In this context, 13 ans means an or année means year. That person could have said, mwen entre Port-au-Prince le mwen te gen 13 années. That person could have said that. It dit 13 ans. Right? It's not an article there. It's a noun. Année, which means year. Okay? That's not an article there. It would be an article if it defines 13, but it does not. Pour mwen te ka komanse etid secondaire mwen. Pour mwen te ka komanse etid secondaire mwen. The same pronoun, just mwen, and no article. Let's continue. Mwen entre nan fakulte medisine. Mwen entre nan fakulte medisine le mwen te gen 18 ans. Mwen entre nan fakulte medisine le mwen te gen 18 ans. The only pronouns we have is mwen, which makes sense. The person is presenting himself, herself, right? Mwen, so that's what you would say. Mwen. But now the same thing is going to apply there. 18 ans. So that's a noun. That's not an article. 18 ans. It does not define 18. It's a noun, not an article. Kounye ya. Kounye ya. Mwen nan 3e année. Mwen espere fini ak etid sa nan 3 ans encore. Is there an article? No. Le mwen fin gen diplôme mwen, map retourne au kay. Le mwen fin gen diplôme mwen, map retourne au kay. Do we have a pronoun? Yes, we do. It's the same thing, but it's the short this time. Map. Map retourne. Map. Ap retourne. I could also say mwen ap retourne. Alright? Pour mwen ka bay population an soin médical. Pour mwen ka bay population an soin médical. Is there an article? Yes, there is one. Which one? There is an article. So now, you must be saying, it's a little difficult. Why is this one an article and the other ones were not? Now, this one is an article because it defines what population it is. It tells you, pour mwen ka bay population an. It's the population. For me to take care of the population. So that's an article. The population. It tells you what population it is. But the other ones, they were just word meaning year. So they were not article. But this one right there, the population, is an article. So that is it. That was the homework. I hope you got it right. It was a little difficult, tough, huh? We learned it. You'll get that. See you in the next lesson. Peace.